So how can you edit audio in the iMovie on your iPad? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, of course, in your iMovie, you can select first of all, the clips, right? Where you can change or edit the audio volume, right? So you can bump up the volume to even 500% or make it go to the 0% where you effectively mute it. You could also just adjust the speed or add some effects like that, but it's not really that extensive, right? So the point is that you can also import your own sounds from the Files app when you click on the plus and click on Files. And in there, you'll be able to see the audio specifically. And the audio, as I said, can be adjusted in terms of the volume, speed, or you can trim it or duplicate it. But that's essentially it, right? So if you want to add some audios with already effects added to it, I would recommend you to do it separately in some kind of app. Like for example, in the voice memos, you can add some effects like enhance the recording or skip the silence or add some of those effects in there, or even some other third-party apps, and have the sound saved in the Files app, from which you can easily import it to the iMovie, and it will already have those effects applied to it. So this is how you can edit audio in iMovie on the iPad. There isn't literally anything else that I could show you. It's just that limited within iMovie. So I hope you liked the video. I tried to cover all of the things. So make sure you subscribe and never miss tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll talk to you later.